Acoustic movie posters are a great product for home theaters. Number one, you could use them as your prime decorative element where we can do large panels, let's say 4x6 posters. Number two, you could use them to add a cinematic touch to the theater. So let's say you have a back row of chairs and you have limited space over the chairs. You can do a series of smaller posters, panels, over the chairs, and no matter what design you have going on in that room, the posters add a great cinematic touch to the room. And the way that our posters work is that we get the poster and we scan them in an extremely high resolution. And then once I get that scan, I take it into Photoshop, and I like to say I massage the image. I will take out all the imperfections, and in many cases, that my image will look better than the original image. When we reproduce it on our acoustic-friendly products, then the prints look great, and they add to the acoustic integrity of the room. We produce all kinds of genres for the movie posters. People tend to like the Indiana Jones, the Star Wars, the Gladiators, the Rockies, and then whatever is current, they'll be into that. But the great movies from like the 70s and the early 80s are always in demand.